For the direct isolation of ammonium bicarbonate from the liquid phase of anaerobic digestate, the classical distillation setup is used with the reboiler containing food waste digestate liquor and connected to a condenser. The buffer capacity of the food waste digestate is mainly given by the content of ammonium bicarbonate. The red thermometer bulb at the top aims to provide the most accurate measurement of the boiling temperature, and this is located in the path of the volatilizing gases. As the foam starts to increase, the reading of the temperature in the thermometer starts to decrease. The best conditions found were low heating power and stirring to avoid excessive foam formation. The first crystals of ammonium bicarbonate are seen around the bulb when temperature is slightly above 30 degrees Celsius after 4.5 hours of heating at very low rate and 200 RPM stirring. To enhance the deposition of ammonia and carbon dioxide as ammonium bicarbonate, the heating power is slightly increased to volatilize these gases while controlling the foam formation. The formation of drops of condensate around the bulb ensures that better conditions of chemical equilibrium and mass transfer are attained. Even at a temperature of around 30 degrees Celsius, it is possible to see more formation of ammonium bicarbonate crystals because the best conditions for the deposition are the ramping up of the temperature of the system or the cooling down. After allowing 20 more minutes with these heating and stirring conditions, more white material can be seen accumulating at the top of the still and in the connection with the condenser. The steady operation is very difficult due to the uncontrollability of the foam formation, which forces to stop the heating if the system is not operated at low temperature and minimum stirring. No heating is allowed until the foam has decreased sufficiently to avoid the contamination of the crystals of the ammonium bicarbonate. The same heating power is restored and the foam increases again. During this transient state, more and more ammonium bicarbonate is accumulated at the top of the still and in the connection with the condenser. Heating is turned on again with the aim of operating at higher temperature, around 60 degrees Celsius, which enhances equilibrium and mass transfer while preventing contamination of the crystals. Transient state with a lot of crystals of ammonium bicarbonate at temperature of 43 degrees Celsius. The operation continues to deplete as much as possible the food waste digestate liquor and recover more crystals of ammonium bicarbonate. The deposition of the crystals of ammonium bicarbonate starts to progress throughout the liebate condenser. When the temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius and after 7.5 hours of operation, the distillation is stopped. The mass balance shows that approximately 3 grams of ammonium bicarbonate were extracted from 80 grams of food waste digestate liquor. The titration of the spent food waste digestate liquor retrieved from the reboiler after the distillation shows lower buffer capacity due to the extraction of the ammonium bicarbonate. Once the crystals of ammonium bicarbonate are isolated and vacuum dried, the FTIR spectrum is compared to that of a reagent-grade material procured from a chemical supplier to confirm the structure and composition.